Hey everybody, today I'm going to demonstrate the patent pending device called Assist to Lift, and what it does is it makes heavy tools feel weightless. And before I demonstrate the piece of equipment, what I want to do is illustrate the difficulties it is working with very heavy tools day in and day out. Here is a barbell. This is 35 pounds, and this is the weight of many of the heavy tools that are used in industry. And you can imagine if you're having to work with this thing all day as a tool, in, out, up, down, you can just imagine the fatigue and the wear and tear on the joints on your body. So what we're going to demonstrate today is a device that makes heavy tools feel weightless. It's called Assist Tool Lift. And this is it. It's fully adjustable, and it can handle weights anywhere from as little as 5 or 10 pounds up to 35, 40 pounds. And today we're going to be working with a 35-pound load and demonstrate some of the features, advantages, and benefits of the Assist Tool Lift. So to get started here, right now there is some tension on the arm here, and I can tell already that this isn't going to be quite enough tension on the arm to support the 35-pound load, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to adjust to the appropriate tension to counterbalance the weight of any tool up to about 40 pounds on this particular model. So here we are over here. I'm going to go ahead and hook up to this. We have an end effector here that is grabbing this barbell. We have different end effectors depending on the type of tool that you're using. And I'm going to go ahead and take my safety pin, and I'm going to push my arm down into vertical position. There's not a whole lot of tension on the arm right now. I'm going to bring the arm around, and I'm going to hook up our load here, pop it in, and take my other safety pin that locks my end effector in position. And as I mentioned, there's not quite enough tension to support this tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my tension, and you can either do it manually with a socket set, or in my case I'm going to use a cordless drill. So let me go ahead and increase the tension a little bit here. That's about right. And now I'm going to go ahead and take out my safety pin, pull that out right like that. And now we've got a completely supported, counterbalanced tool, and you can see how I can move this 35-pound load up and down, back and forth, and it's really almost effortless. It feels almost weightless. And you can leave your tool there. It's balanced. You can bring it up here, right about in here, and you can balance again. You'll just feel that sweet spot where it balances perfectly, like right in there. And then you can also bring it up to the upright position. Now you can imagine with all that tension on that arm that obviously if you were to try to take the load off at this position, first of all, it would be very, very difficult to pull that off, but it wouldn't be safe either because you have this arm that's got a lot of tension, and if it were to spring up, you can imagine the damage it would do if it was to hit you. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how we take this off. I'm going to bring this around to the workbench. I'm going to put it down on the workbench here. I'm going to take a safety pin, and I'm going to place this safety pin right into position. Now it's safe to go ahead and pull that out. So there, my arm under tension is in a safe position, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can load it right back up again. And take my same weight here with the end effector grabber, and I'm going to pop it into position, put in my little safety pin here, and bring it back around, remove my safety pin. Now when you do have a load in this case 35-pound weight, and let's say that I want to walk away, I can also set a safety pin in position this way, so essentially that load is not going to go up and it's not going to go down. And again, depending on the weight that you're using, it's quick and easy to adjust the tension on that arm to perfectly balance whatever weight is that your equipment happens to be. This is just a quick little demonstration of the assist to lift. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.